literally zero time to explain besides the fact that I am rushing so bad right now. I literally only have like maybe an hour to do my makeup for my birthday shoot. So let's get it going, because it took me like a freaking hour to crimp my hair and it's about to get ruined in my rain shoot that I'm doing. But let's do it. But before I start, look at how cute and organized my little thing is in my new makeup case by Dose of Color. So cute. I've been using the same one that I got from freaking BeautyCon from like NYX like 10 freaking years ago. Okay, so Dose of Color's sponge. This is my first time using this. Also, I almost choked on myself. There's not gonna be much talking in this, I feel like, because I'm scared. I need to just be somewhere. My shoot is at 6, but I have to do a bunch of other things, like go and pick up my best friend, because I always want her there for, you know, support. Her name's Allie. I'm sure you guys already know. I'm also gonna be with my other bestie, Sophie. She's always taking photos, my photos. Like literally, if I ever take any other photos with any other photographer, like it was just, you know, for vibes. But Sophie always takes my iconic photos all the time, every time, for everything. Like when I have my wedding, she's gonna be a photographer. When I have literally anything important, she will be the photographer. I will promise you that, forever and ever. She just knows exactly what I like. She gets them done quick. Really great overall, great person. She's very funny, love her. And we're just gonna enjoy each other's presents. Also, look at my little Hello Kitty ring. Isn't she so cute? I got her from eBay, apparently. I have never used poreless primer, but we're gonna be using it today. I apparently have had it for like ever. Okay, so if this does not work, I'm blaming all of you. I'm only using this because I'm gonna be in the water. I normally don't ever have any issue with literally my makeup ever melting off, unless it's like 1,500 billion degrees. 8 out of 10 times primer does not work at all. It doesn't. It's just another unnecessary step. Should I use this or should I use this? NARS Barcelona. Or this is definitely still too dark for me. Rare Beauty for the first time. Is it too dark? It's not. It's literally perfect when I blend it out. I literally should not be using new products today. I've heard nothing but great reviews from this, so I shouldn't even be scared, but like, I just never stray away from what I know. This looks really dark and orangey right now, but don't worry. You see what I mean? It's now like completely blending in. It looks still crazy because we don't have the rest of our face on, but Sophie likes to put grain over my photos and I love it. It's like, she already knows what I like, so I don't even have to tell her. This is my freaking lifesaver. This is the NARS Creamy Concealer, the pot version. Tap upwards, do not go down, because it's gonna make your face look a lot more aged. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is obviously way too dark. I know. I'm gonna be blending it out right now. It looks just a little bit crazy because there's no concealer going on. I'm just using a lot of creams today because I always love to use a lot of creams when I'm doing photo shoots. My under is just never gonna be as dark as like my actual. Blending her out. See, it's starting to come together already. And then I'm always gonna put it right here on my chin. NARS Creamy Concealer. This is in the shade Custard as well. Lastly, we're gonna be using the LA Girl Concealer. You guys can use my code Aidette10. You guys already know LA Girl is my thing. This is in the shade Vanilla. It looks very, very light right now. It's a tiny bit of brightening, but this is like white on my skin at the moment. I get a lot of comments like on TikTok and stuff saying like, why is your face whiter than your body? And I'm like, because I put SPF on my face, like more SPF on my face than like the rest of my body. Yeah, my face is gonna be white. Sorry, ma'am. Like, what? No, you're lying. Like, you're literally like using self tanner or like you're getting a spray tan. I'm like, girl, I promise I would not lie about that. My lips are freshly done. As you guys can see, there's like bruises right now. We have Anastasia banana powder. This stuff is really freaking good. I'm more of a Huda Beauty girl for powder, the banana one, if it comes to like high end, but I couldn't find that one because it's always sold out. My usual, again, you guys can use my code Aidette10, is my LA Girl banana yellow powder, but I haven't been able to find it in stores, y'all. I am convinced that I have put all of you guys on and all of you are taking all of the banana yellows, which I'm happy about. I'm so glad you guys are experiencing the light, because that is like the best. Meanwhile, this powder here, I literally paid like $50-$60 for it, and I was like, all right. I didn't even know it was that much until I got to the register and I was like, oh yeah, I desperately needed a banana powder, and I was like looking in the Target and the Ulta for like literal hours. That's what you need to order online. I definitely want to do a giveaway, guys. I want to have like all of my LA girl favorites, do a video full face using all of my favorite products, and just give some away to y'all. I think that would be super freaking fun. This is also another love of mine if you guys are new. This is the LA Girl Pro Pressed Powder. This is supposed to be like kind of like a powder foundation, or just like, you know, pressed powder, but I use it as my bronzer. This is called Warm Caramel. I can never find her in stores either, so you guys cannot tell me we do not have an influence going on here. I've gotten a lot of people in my DMs being like, girl, like, you don't understand, like, thank you for putting me on because it changed my makeup game. This is just like my safe space. Like, this is who I go to when I just know I want to look divine. For little areas like this is the Morphe. Oh my gosh, it doesn't even have a number, but it's like tapered. It's like a little tapered blending brush. In the meantime, while everything is going on, I'm gonna be having some bake going on. I'm also gonna put some down here. For the eyes, I'm gonna be taking this Alyssa Edwards Anastasia palette. I don't think you can get this anymore. I just don't think that you can. But I'm gonna take like this cool tone brownish color, and I'm just gonna add some quick dimension in the crease, like nothing crazy at all. Normally for like a rain shoot, people would go for just like skin and like dewy look and just, you know, focus on the skin, but honestly, it's me. I want to be me. I want to be glam. I'm going to be using some spray to dampen my brush. This is going to be a little dark. It's going to be like a bronze moment. This is just going to be like a base to our glitter. Honestly, I haven't worked with a pigment in a long time. I feel like that was a thing back in the days, but I feel like everyone just loves like a really pigmented pressed powder. This blush, I'm telling you, will never fail me. This is the Kevyn Aucoin. I don't know if it's Darlene or if it's Apricot. I really don't know, but I don't know. It has like two names. I'm going to be applying her with one of my favorite brushes. This is very similar to another brush that my mom gave me by MAC that I love, but this is the Sigma Small Duo Fiber F55. I believe I have a code with Sigma as well. I just don't remember it. Maybe Aidette, you could try it if you want, which I think is going to be absolutely beautiful. And then with a medium skin tone, I really do think, I mean, I would consider myself like a medium tan. This is the glitter that I'm picking. This is an Anastasia glitter in the shade Star Power. Okay, so it's a beautiful mix of silver and gold. It's just kind of disappearing. I mean, it's not. It's still there, but I didn't want it to be blank because we don't want the glitter to look patchy. Tap off the excess because you do not want it to be running all over your face. Oh my god, this glitter is perfect. I didn't even know I had it, to be honest. I miss when everyone would wear like intense crazy shadow like this all the time, and we were literally just going to Olive Garden and I wore like, I remember this copper glitter eye. It was insane. And it wasn't just like a glitter eye, it was like a full-on like cut crease. You know, no blush of course, because that was not the thing back then. See, now I have glitter all over my face. That's why you want to tap off the excess. I just wasn't thinking. Just use like a big fluffy brush and, you know. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try to do my liner right now. I have to like go in like 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna be using my trusty Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eyeliner pencil. This one is in the shade I can't really say it on here, but it starts with the P word. Oh no, is this dry? Alright guys, my camera's gonna die, but this is the final look. Isn't it pretty? Okay, I want to show you guys like the outfit. I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit, but bikini is so cute. You guys will see it on my Instagram. But thank you guys so much, and thank you for getting ready with me for my birthday photo shoot, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.